Fontjoy.com.
Fontfest.
Okay, so...
Fest font? Okay.
Okay, so mine is very simple for this one and very short, and that is fontjoy.com.
Fontjoy.
Yeah.
It's going to be about
font. The thing is, I like different fonts in website, and I think it's very good to have some ideas of fonts and how they come together.
Oh.
If you are not a font person, and like I'm not really an UI person or design person per se,
Same here.
but when you see like font combinations, they look beautiful. And I've been doing my portfolio.
Yeah, your portfolio is beautiful.
What feeds that? Like you generate things, give you like...
It's font pairing.
Yeah.
You can
Please
see.
don't laugh at my photo.
Okay.
And
It looks great.
font is like, it's close, it's pretty similar, but you see like, I don't know font theories at all, but it's kind of good when you look at it.
And at the same time, you've learned something. Right?
Yeah.
It's not like you just prompted it and you don't know anything about the design, but you've seen it working and you've applied it.
Yeah.
That's great.
That's great. It's good. You don't have to know like the theories behind why the font is good, but it just looked good. And then you have like the difference, like balance, contrast here. If there is something you like, you can lock it
That's nice.
and change the other things. So it's like a way to know what you like from something you don't fully understand and have like magic font.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. I don't know how I remember this when I need it.
Yeah, just ask me. I will remember it. Like,
Yeah, okay. We
That's-
need to like put all of this video and the transcriptions inside some vertex data somewhere, and then we have AI go through it.